In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Godaddy website in just about 5 minutes. Sharing your website with collaborators or team members can significantly streamline your workflow, allowing for easier updates, edits, and overall management of your online presence. So, if you've ever found yourself wondering how to enable others to work on your Godaddy site without sharing your personal login details, you're in the right place. First things first, head over to the Godaddy website. Once there, you'll see a sign in button, typically at the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will lead you to the login screen where you'll need to enter your credentials. This means typing in your username and password associated with your Godaddy account. After you've input this information, simply click on the sign in button to access your account dashboard. Once you're logged in, navigate your way to the profile photo, also located at the top right corner of the page. This little picture is essentially the gateway to your account settings, among other things. Click on it and a drop down menu will appear. Within this menu you'll find the account settings option. Go ahead and click on that to proceed to the next step. Now within your account settings you'll notice another drop down menu. Here you're looking to select the delegate access option. This is essentially what Godaddy calls the process of sharing your site with others, granting them permission to manage or edit your website without giving them complete control over your entire account. The next step involves clicking on the invite to access button. This is precisely where the magic happens. By clicking here, you're initiating the process of inviting someone to access your Godaddy site. You'll then be prompted to fill in some details about the person you're inviting. This includes their name and email address. Make sure the email address is accurate, as this is where the invitation to collaborate on your Godaddy website will be sent. After entering the collaborator's information, it's time to select the access level you wish to grant them. Godaddy offers various levels of access, from minimal to full-scale editing capabilities. Choose wisely based on what you need the person to do on your site. This ensures they have the tools they need while also keeping your site secure. With all that set up, you're just one step away from completing the sharing process. To finalize, simply click on the invite button. This sends an email to the person you're inviting, giving them instructions on how to access your Godaddy website. Remember, they'll need to accept the invitation to begin collaborating on your site. And just like that, you've successfully shared access to your Godaddy website. It's worth noting that you can revoke or change the level of access at any time through your account settings, keeping you in complete control of who has access to your site and what they can do. Before we wrap up, here are a few additional tips to ensure a smooth sharing process. 1. Always double check the email address of the person you're inviting to make sure it's correct. 2. Consider the access level you choose to grant carefully. Only give full access to those you truly trust, as they'll be able to make significant changes to your website. 3. Keep an eye on the changes made by your collaborators. It's always good to stay informed about the updates to your site. Sharing your Godaddy website doesn't have to be a complicated process. By following these steps, you can easily invite others to collaborate on your online project, enhancing productivity and making website management a breeze. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur or part of a larger team, these features empower you to build and maintain a fantastic online presence together. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you feel more confident in managing and sharing access to your Godaddy website. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Happy website building!